Hello, and welcome to Top Tech News today. Here is your daily dose of latest tech news from around the world. Before we start, please consider subscribing to our channel and press bell icon to get updates about our latest videos and daily tech news. Please also consider sharing this video. Now these are the top tech news today. MoviePass secures a $100 million capital investment from global emerging markets to accelerate the development of Mogul, its fantasy gaming service launched in May. Shanghai-based Xinyi AI launches a trial program in Saudi Arabia to let patients see an AI doctor for diagnoses and prescriptions, which a human doctor reviews. Montana becomes the first U.S. state to close a data broker loophole that lets police buy users' geolocation data and other digital info without a judge's warrant. Microsoft has stopped production of its Surface Laptop Studio 2 and plans to mark the device as end-of-life in June, with no apparent successor plans. Windsurf launches SWE-1, its first family of software engineering AI models, claiming its largest model rivals Claude 3.5 Sonnet, GPT 4.1, and Gemini 2.5 Pro. Anthropic apologizes for one of its expert witnesses, citing an article hallucinated by Claude in the company's legal battle with music publishers. Neil Mohan says the monetization rate of Shorts hit parity with core YouTube in the US and multiple other countries, and Shorts viewing grew 20% year-over-year in Q1 2025. Meta has delayed rolling out its behemoth LLM, internally slated for an April release, to fall or later after struggling to improve its capabilities. Aikido Labs, which makes AI assistants for doctors to improve patient treatment efficiency, raised a $60 million Series B led by Oak HC/FT. CoreWeave secures a deal worth $4 billion to provide cloud computing capacity to OpenAI through 2029, on top of a nearly $12 billion deal announced before its IPO. Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun unveils the X-Ring 01, the company's first self-developed mobile chip, for its high-end devices, coming in late May without giving any details. Roblox rolls out tools to let eligible creators sell physical items from their games via its commerce APIs, working with Shopify, its first integrated partner. Google passes IBM to become the U.S. leader in generative AI-related patent applications. Google and NVIDIA lead agentic AI patent filings globally. Coinbase says hackers access data of a small subset of users, but not credentials, expects to incur $180 million to $400 million in costs, and refuses to pay a $20 million ransom. Microsoft's recent layoffs of 6,000 workers hit software engineers the hardest, making up 40% plus of the approximately 2,000 positions cut in its home state of Washington. Hacking Group. Dragonforce says it stole UK retailer Co-op's customer data, but couldn't deploy ransomware because Co-op quickly shut down its systems, unlike M&S. YouTube previews new ad formats coming to the platform, including an enhanced shoppable connected TV offering that has an interactive product feed on the right. That was all for today. Thanks for watching, and we shall be back tomorrow.